Wedbush's Dan Ives joins us here at Post 9. Keeps an outperform, targeted 250. Happy Friday, Dan. Good to have you.
You too.
Overall thoughts on China, I guess. Let's start with that.
Backwards against the wall. China came in much less bad, I'll call it, than anyone feared. And it's what we saw. I mean, we started to see a turnaround in March, I think, going into April. Now, granted, these are not phenomenal numbers, but now you're on the trajectory to see growth again in China. I think it just comes down to when you bet against Cook and Cupertino, you've been proven wrong again and again. This is another quarter I think they came through.
You think we get plus signs in China this year?
I think in September quarter, you start to get growth in China. And this leads to what I believe, not just from an AI perspective, next 6 to 9 months, it's going to be an AI-driven supercycle with iPhone 16. You look at China, 230 million iPhones. You got 70% of them have not upgraded in the last 3 years.
But it's limited growth, isn't it, Dan, overall?
Yeah, I think for this quarter, of course, limited growth. But, Sarah, I think when you look at next 6, 9, 12 months, that renaissance of growth is coming back to Cupertino, combined with the AI story. So to me, when you look out, this is actually a time, I believe it's just the beginning of the next phase of the growth story for Apple. But I think the most important thing in this quarter, just given all the doomsday about China being down 12, 15, 18%, it's not. You're actually starting to see a turn, and that's why Cook, 10% politician, 90% CEO.
How important is June 10th? How important is that announcement going to be? Put it in perspective in terms of other highly anticipated moments from Apple.
Yeah, it's the Super Bowl for Apple. I mean, if I look back the last 4 or 5 years, it's probably the most important moment because, as me and you have talked on the show, this is really AI coming to Cupertino. It's showing not just on what I believe will be on the iPhone 16 in terms of the LLMs and the exclusive features, but it's about the developers, services. That's the Rock of Gibraltar for Apple. And I believe this is going to be, it's going to be a historical moment, not just for Apple, but showing now that AI is coming to the consumer, being led by those 2.2 billion iOS devices.
You know, Dan, the CapEx numbers from the other mega cap tech players are just mind-boggling. We don't really know, though, exactly what Apple spends, do we, when it comes specifically to sort of AI, generative AI? Do we have a sense as to what they're doing?
I mean, we believe it's going to be up 40 to 50% in terms of AI CapEx this year, because I think Apple recognized, and Cook's talked about, I mean, behind, clearly competitors, you saw obviously the EV initiative that they ripped the Band-Aid off. Now it's all in deep end of the pool on AI, and that's the right strategy because we believe when this is all said and done, it could add $40, $50 per share of the story. In terms of services, that could be an incremental 8 to 10 billion. And what will drive the AI-driven supercycle with iPhone 16? You look at that China story. This is just the start of that turnaround. I think it's going to be a Brunson-like moment for Apple and for Cupertino as we start to see this play out.
Did you tailor that just for David?
Was that for me? Was that a new one in your repertoire?
That's one I just unveiled right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned the Band-Aid on EVs. So people are saying the same thing about Tesla in some ways, that the EVs going into a bit of a dark age, it's robotics and AI that are ascendant, and that company, too, will change as a result.
Yeah, look, it was a dark day, as we talked about, for Musk and Tesla, but I do think turning it around in terms of what we're seeing for the sub-30K vehicle we believe gets launched next year. But it is all about autonomous. When you look out, the golden goose for Tesla is autonomous and FSD, but the sub-30K vehicle was so important that they're going to release into next year. And I think for the first time, as we talked about probably in a year and a half, you feel like there is a pilot on the plane, and that's Musk.
So of the two, you favor them equally?
Well, right now, if I'm looking at it, I think Apple's the one you favor over Tesla just because the catalyst in terms of Cook, WWDC, AI coming, this AI-driven upgrade cycle into iPhone 16, I think it's a sort of like popcorn moment for Apple as we look forward.
You didn't even mention the